Hi everyone, welcome back again. It's your boy here, John Matches on the channel. Thank you so much for watching it and thank you so much for great support. I really appreciate it. And today we're back again with another banger, another video and the music from Fano. Now, I'm hard of Fano new music. So without wasting your time, we're gonna jump into it. Like we're gonna feel the vibe. We're gonna clean the vibe. After cleaning the vibe, we're gonna say peace to Ethiopians, So today video, this is a new video. I found it yesterday. I reacted on it today. I hope guys you will love it and enjoy it. Yeah, it's a Fano music video. Let's play in it. Let's listen to Fano music. So here we go, guys. The beat. It's a vibe in it, man. So you give me motivation. Wow, see Ethiopian flag, man, everywhere. I was a Fano training. Fano the training like, if oh man, they get everything. Who mean shame me? Fano have Muslim. Say Fano Fano have Muslim. Muslim Fano. I be Muslim Amara. Yeah. Me.
ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር የጦሩ መሪ ፋኖ ነው እኮ ምሽግ ሰባሪ የጦሩ መሪ ፋኖ ነው እኮ እምነቷ የጦሩ መሪ ፋኖ ነው እኮ ምሽግ ሰባሪ የጦሩ መሪ ፋኖ ነው እኮ እምነቷ ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር ባንተባበር ተበልተን ነበር
Wow, thank you so much for watching it and thank you so much for great support. I hope you loved the video, you enjoyed the music. Please don't hit the like, subscribe to my channel, share this video to more people, and see you next video. Peace out.